What's up? You checking out the freaking flyer, and we have a package here today from Banggood. We got the double bladed bat knife on deck. The E013 plus, and this is a FPV quad here, little whoop style quad. So let's get all the way into this box here. Check it out. So this is a ready to fly package actually. So here's the quad. Looks like one of the props are actually broken. Uh-oh. So it looks like this thing has been beat up a little, but I guess we can still work through it. Hopefully we can get that prop off of there and still continue to test this thing. So this here is the transmitter. So pretty decent feeling. Sticks here. Definitely feels better than average for a toy quad. So in here we have a little clamp for your phone. It attaches onto the joystick, I'm pretty sure. So let's move this out of the way. We have an instructions manual in the box. Pretty nice detailed English and color illustrated. What else we have in here? Wow, so it feels like goggles here. Indeed, this is the strap for the goggles. We have some straps. Move this stuff out of the way. We have some cleaning wipes here. We have some cables there. USB to USB micro. USB to micro USB. We have an antenna there. We have another manual or fold out here for the FPV instructions and all. Let's sit this off to the side back there. And let's unwrap these goggles and get a look at these. So these are the Eachine VR006s. So VR006s. That. Let's drop that in there. So these actually look like the red paw goggles that I have. I have some small red paw goggles. Oh, they're actually right here. So let's see if I can compare those. Oops, the antenna dropped off. So, yep, it's the exact same goggle. Very small goggles. Yep, everything appears to be the same. My kid loves these. My 5-year-old actually uses those goggles. And so, the same exact goggle. Pretty nice. Pretty nice for a small kid, I guess, or a beginner. So let's see what else is in here. We have a battery in here, a 1S25C 500 milliamp hour battery here. Looks like it's just a regular voltage. Oh, we have two of them. So we got two batteries that comes in with it. We have a charger here. USB charger for the batteries, and thankfully we have an extra set of props here and a screwdriver, of course. No ready to fly is complete without a screwdriver. These things come with everything. And so let's have a look at this. So nothing seems to be broken. The plastic seems to be warped a little. I might have to bend this back into shape and get this little stem off of here. Okay, the stem came off rather easy. So this prop was broken when it came. And so pretty nice looking aircraft here. Look, this motor here looks like it's bent a little though. I might have to work on this molding here to get this molding straight and all. The camera looks really nice. Looks like one of those cameras one of those all-in-one cameras that we've been using for our tiny whoops for quite a while. The brushed versions anyhow. Oh, and we have another battery under here. So 3 batteries in all. So this kit comes with 3 batteries, a transmitter, and a goggle here. So pretty complete set for a beginner or a kid. The next time you guys see this little craft, it should be in the air. Now let's check this thing out before we lose the light. Okay, so this button here starts the props to spin, and the props are not going to spin. Why? Because the frame is a little warped. Let's see if we can get the frame in flying condition. Okay, so we got it up in the air. Finally. It's in angle mode. Pretty decent. So let's try to put it in horizon mode. Let's see if we can get it to flip. Nope, it's not doing anything. Let's try acro. Oh, acro mode's doing something though. See if we can get it to turn over. I went up high because I knew something like that probably was going to happen. So this thing does have acro mode, but the rates are super slow on acro mode on it. So you have to be super high in order to do a flip or anything or roll. And the prop came flying off of it. So let me try to put the prop back on it. So the rates are really slow on acro. Useless because you can't do any rolls. But I guess you can fly acro mode. Wow, and this thing's fast in acro mode. So a true acro mode, actually it's an air mode, so that's good. But you just have to go up super high to do any rolls or anything. So far as I see, there's no horizon mode. Let's try it again. We're back in angle mode. So this is angle. Slow it down. Let's put it on the second one. You heard 2 beats. And it's not flipping over at all. It's just I guess a high mode. Where it's really fast and agile. Wow, I actually like it. So pretty sporty. And the battery died. So I guess I'll say that this is pretty nice for an acro trainer. It does allow you to go into acro air mode, but the rates are too slow. The rates are really low, so you can't really do any rolls or anything with it. Looks really nice. Awesome design and all. And in second rate, this thing really picks up speed pretty fast. This thing does have turtle mode, so if you flip over, you end up upside down on the crash, then you can just hit this button right here and it'll make this craft flip over on its own. And we have FPV. So we're gonna come back out and test this again in the next video. Thanks for watching.